Today I'm going to show you how to buy your first stock using the Robinhood app. First, you want to go to the Browse button. From here you have a few options. If you want to buy crypto or stocks, this is where you make your choice. You can tap on crypto, buy a crypto stock, or currency, or you can go to an actual stock. And here we go. From here we can actually sort by the price, and then we can see what's cheapest. For now, let's just choose something at random. Let's see something like Sirius XM. We can see it's moving higher, so that might be a good sign to buy. When you hit here, you have options. If you want to buy fractional shares and you just want to put a certain amount of cash into it, you can hit $1, $10, or $100. Or you can actually decide to purchase in shares. I prefer purchasing in shares, so we can go from here. And let's just say we want to buy one share at a market price. Hit review, slide up, and congrats, you have one share of whatever I just bought.